Hey guys, in the previous section we are talking about the combo box, and now in this section we are talking about the spin box. Okay, so let's take a look of what exactly the spin box and how it's working. Okay, it's really simple. We doesn't need to pick up any TTK package for that. It's totally available on from Tkinter import star, so that's why you doesn't need to pick up any kind of Tkinter package. Okay, so for that we need to just create a one more particular file, so new, and I'm just creating the Python file, and here let's say spin, and that's pretty much it. And from tk enter import and just start, and that's pretty much it. And now I'm just creating a root is equals to tk, which is our main variable. And then what I wanted to do, I just create one particular spin box, so that's why I'm just giving spin. So okay, you can directly say the spin, and after that spin box. And here is the twist: when you want to do any kind of spin box, we need to add two particular parameters which is different than the others. Okay, so that's why first root, and then the spin box is working like start to end. Okay, so that's why we are just need to assign where you going from and where to end from. Okay, so where to end, that's particular stuff. But if I just put out the from, you can see this is a Python variable. Okay, so we can't use the from, so we need to use a from, but after that you can give us the underscore. Okay, and after giving the underscore it convert to variable. And from, we wanted to go from 1990, and where is to end, so to underscore. Okay, so underscore, so where I wanted to end this section, so I wanted to end at 2015. Okay, that's pretty much it. And if I just pack it here, now you can see this, I can pack it here. And after that if I just run it, okay, I'm just running combo box, I need to run spin. Okay, I'm not accepting root, I'm just forwarding the geometry. Why? 400 multiplied by 400, it's completely my mistake. Root dot main loop, and that's pretty much it. And now I can run it, it's very simple. And now you can see this is called as spin box. Okay, you can just add it value, you can just go for next, you can just go for previous, it's completely your choice, and it's working like pretty well. Okay, but now the thing is, you can see this, I can add it with the characters. Okay, so I don't want to add something new character, so what I need to do, I can just say that, hey, so here we need to assign the state, which is equals to read only, right? So read only, and that's pretty much it. And now user can't change the value. Okay, so let me just run it, and now you can see this, I can't change the value. Okay, so we can just change it by here with the help of next, and the previous. Okay, so it's working pretty well. And now you can just check that up, and you can just add one more button here and add some commands. And then you can just after adding some command, you can just pick up this particular value, like we can just create one more variable for that, month is equals to, and string var, and that's pretty much it. And you can just say that text variable, and assign the text variable to exactly the month. Okay, month, or you can say that year, it's completely your choice. I'm just picking up month, but you can change it from year. Okay, it's completely your choice, and do this by yourself. And in the next video we are talking about one more widget. Okay, thank you for watching this video.